Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove 2017 Kia Sorento taillight, only way. Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent any electrical issues, then open the rear hatch and remove any cargo or trim panels blocking access. Keep fasteners organized in a small container and take photos if needed to remember placement. Work slowly and check for hidden screws or clips under the trim before forcing any parts off. Begin by removing interior panels to access the tail light fasteners, starting with the cargo cover and trim pieces. Use a trim tool or flathead to pop out plastic clips and remove visible screws carefully so you don't damage tabs. Pull the panel back gently, exposing the taillight bolts and wiring harness. Unplug the connector before removing the bolts. Keep all clips and screws together so reassembly is straightforward and avoid breaking brittle plastic panels. Loosen the mounting bolts while supporting the tail light to prevent it from falling and damaging the lens or paint. Once bolts are removed, carefully wiggle the assembly free while watching for hidden clips or adhesive spots that might hold it in place. Disconnect the wiring harness by pressing the release tab and pull connectors apart. Then lift the tail light out fully. Inspect the bulb sockets and seals before installing a replacement or reinstalling the original.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.